Alrighty, welcome back. Thanks for joining us. We are going to dive into a couple of things today. Primarily, we're jumping back into that RAM project, so it's just an ongoing project, continual here. So we're going to get into this today. This is my little impromptu DIY tent, like a paint booth, I guess you'd call it. So it's not too bad. It'll work. But we're going to paint that fender in there. So we've got some spray can paint, but this is actual paint, like factory paint. You get it from the from Napa paint stores, stuff like that. But we're gonna give it a shot, do our best. I'm fairly decent at rattle can paint, but yeah, we're gonna give this a shot. So bear with me. Let me know in the comments what you think, how it came out. Hopefully I don't get any paint on my camera. We shall find out. Oh, shoot. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Not bad all in all. Looking pretty good for a single coat. That was a whole freaking can now, but I haven't got pretty far. It's definitely pretty icky in that. Whew. Whew, yeah. Ah. Whew. Seems like a pool. Jeez, that's bad. Alright, well anyway, thanks for joining us. That's step one. We're going to come back for another video and finish up the rest of it. There's still way more work to go on that one. I got a whole nother part to paint too, so make sure to like and subscribe. Join us again for the next round, and we'll see you again.